we can offer my orangutan for raccoon. Can somebody offer my orangutan? Somebody offer my orangutan, please. Remind mo. Yo, wait. What's this? This is really good, guys. Yo, why the master's phone will never stop? I only have one. Ay, di ko yung bibilin. Bakit ko ba dyan? Ay, sorry guys, nakisidibil ako. Guys, makikipag-trade ako ng orangutan. Sino may offer dito? Ayan, sino may offer dyan sa orangutan? Who have offer with this pet? Who have offer with this pet? I'm gonna place. Mag-aano tayo? Tayo ay. No. Kasi man nag-leave. Paling nag-leave. Ay, nag-teleport ako sa gusto. Sorry. Hindi ko lang talagang ginagawa sa buhay. Tinatatanim na natin tong biig. Grabe. Why no one wants to trade with me? Stop. Comment your name down below. Comment your name down below. So we can trade. So I can trade my orangutan. I feel. What do you rate with this? Oh, what do you rate with my garden and my money? What do you rate at me? Who's the richer? Yo, I'm richer than you. Harris 16 and I 4B Blissy. Who's the poorest? Grox is the poorest. Tama. Sana mapanood to ni Creepy sa kanikit. Adpakad ako kay Creepy. Subscribe kayo kay Creepy guys. Idol ko yun. Nagtatapos ang vlog ni Creepy.